Welcome to Weird Science. This week we're going to talk about polymers, but first let's get our ingredients. Fruit juice and 4 packets of Knox gelatin. You'll need a saucepan and fill it with 1.5 cups of fruit juice. Put it on medium-high heat and let it do a slight boil. Next, in a side bowl, do a 1/2 cup of fruit juice. Looks so pretty. Grab your 4 packets of your gelatin and empty those into that 1/2 cup of juice in the bowl on the side. You'll see that it kind of looks a little lumpy. That's okay. We'll stir it gently and set our timer for 5 minutes, allowing it to do what's called bloom, which kind of fluffens up. What is that? That's the first step to polymers, friends. Meanwhile, as your pot is starting to boil, and you can see the steam coming off of it, you then can transfer that kind of hunk of mass that was all connected together as a polymer. Look at that. Cool. Put it into the pot carefully and stir until it dissolves. Once it's dissolved, I decided to put it into a measuring cup, and transfer it into these molds. You can also use a 9x9 pan and pour your gelatin mixture into that. Let it cool into the refrigerator 1 hour to 2 hours. While we wait for our fruit gummies to harden in the refrigerator, let's look at these paper chains that you can find along the window at Manlius Library. These are kind of making me think about polymers. A polymer is a compound formed of many molecules strung into long chains, and each of these molecules is called a monomer, which means one. When they string together, they become a polymer. Or what you see here when they come out of the fridge. Wow! Polymers take up different physical characteristics depending on what molecules are made of and how they're linked together. They can be gummy, stretchy, hard, clear, or cloudy, like milk jugs, shampoo bottles, plastic bags, or even kids' toys. Polymers are like DNA, and they're critical to human body and the world around us as well. So as we look at our fruit gummies as they came out of the fridge, we can say the gelatin's proteins form a triple helix or a polymer chain, which allows the food to gel once the molecules in the juice intersperse with the gelatin's helix. Picture it getting bigger, like a slinky that you've stuffed with tennis balls. The degree of gelling or expansion of the helix is the physical characteristics of the gummies, depends on what the gelatin is mixed with. Here's some other ideas too that you can use with your gelatin. Oh, there's polymers in the world all around us. Try your own polymer by making your own fruit gummies. Let me know what you think on our Instagram page. Thanks for joining.